Is your computer eligible for Windows 11? Let's check it out. First of all, I want you to go this Microsoft website. Then, download PC Health Check app from this link. If you did not see this link, once you open, scroll down a bit, then you will find it on down the page. Once you click on this link, PC Health Check app starts download. Open it up. Tick to accept agreement, then click install. Tick on add shortcut to desktop if you want to create desktop icon. And click on finish. This app will open. Click on check now. My computer is not eligible for Windows 11. However, my computer is not older than 4 years. So, I can make it eligible for Windows 11. If you click here on see all results, you can see a message. TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC. Otherwise, everything else is good to go, except TPM 2.0. If you click on more about enabling TPM 2.0, it will tells how you can enable TPM in your computer. It might be different in your case, because you might have different computer than me. In my case, this is how I can enable TPM. Before that, I am going to show you couple of things. Go to Start, search for Run, type tpm.msc, then hit Enter. Here you can see, compatible TPM cannot be found. I am going to show you one more things. Go to Settings. Go to Update and Security. Go to Windows Security. Go to Device Security. Here you can see, standard hardware security not supported. We have found all the problems. So here is how we can fix the problems. I want you to restart your computer. In my case I have to press F2 or delete to run UEFI setup. In your case, it might be different. You can see when your computer restart. In my case, I am going to Security, then enable Intel Platform Trust Technology. That's all I need to do. Then exit. Once you exit, you have to click on Save Changes and exit. Your computer restart will begin. It will take bit of time to restart. Now, I am going to check the problems that we have found before. Those two problems must be fixed now. Follow the same procedure, like before. Go to Run, type tpm.msc, and hit Enter. Here you can see, in status, the TPM is ready for use. It has given all related information. Let's close this one, and move forward without delay. Now go to Setting, same like before, go to Update and Security, go to Windows Security, go to Device Security. Here you can see, in Security Processor, your security processor, called the Trusted Platform Module, TPM, is providing additional encryption for your device. That's all we need for Windows 11. Let's close those dialog boxes. Now, go to PC Health Check. Remember, we have downloaded before. Click on Check Now. Look at that, this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Click on See All Results. Here you can see, I have got all, green tick. If you click here, on More about Windows 11, you can see, this PC will run Windows 11. Now let's go ahead, and download Windows 11. Search for, Download Windows 11. Click on this link, choose Windows 11. Scroll down a bit. Choose this one, and click on Download Now. Choose Language. Click on Confirm. Then, click on 64-bit download. Here you can see, download has started. Download will take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once it complete, double-click on Setup. Click on Next. Click on Accept. It will take some time to install Windows 11. Once this dialog box pop up, here you can see, it will not affect any of your existing files in your computer. That's what we actually need. Then, click on Install. It will take quite a while to install the Windows 11. I will get back once it complete. Here you go, Windows 11 installation has been completed. Here you can see the difference between Windows 10 and 11. I hope you found this helpful in your case. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle. Please like, share, comment and click on bell icon for upcoming useful videos in my channel, Unique Bundle.